Good day and welcome back to Mathematics 9, presented by Group 1 of 9 Onyx.
Here are the contents found in this video presentation. Introduction can be seen in pages 1 and 3. The story and problem can be found at pages 4 through 6. The illustration is at page 7. Solutions are found in page 8 through 11, and the answers will be revealed in the same page in page 11 as well.
But first, here are the members of our group and the tasks that they perform.
Story time, let's see. Joseph lives in an ancestral house that is home to his extended family of about 3 generations. The house was so big that if it were split, each individual grandchild would own a decent sized lot or part. But then, one day, the family came to an argument involving the split of their home. Joseph, being the eldest grandchild, was given a perfectly cut square portion of the said house. But Joseph thinks the house is too small for his family. That's why he demanded an 8-meter length extension to what he was going to inherit. Then, as the family members agree to his request, the new area of his lot or part is 345 square meters. At his joy, he seeks for the dimension of his newly inherited property. What dimension did he get?
Here is our representation. As we can see, the lot is a perfect square at the first with an unknown length for a side denoted as x. Then, after Joseph's demand, the lot gained an 8-meter length extension for its side, giving it a new length of x plus 8. As we know that the new area for his lot is 345 square meters, we can also write this down as a relevant information. As to what we've learned in elementary, we can proudly say that the formula for the area of a quadrilateral is length times its width, or L times W for short, or possibly side squared for squares. Given the informations we gathered, we can substitute the width and the length as x and x plus 8 respectively. And as the given area is 345 square meters, we can equate the equation to 345 and start solving for x.
Now what?
There are two steps we must do before we can proceed further.
And what is that?
First, we simplify to make things easier, then turn the equation to standard form to get the value of a, b, and c.
But what is A, B, and C for?
I'll explain that later, but for now, let's us check the equation if simplified.
Not yet.
We can simplify it by multiplying x to the binomial in the parentheses using distributive. How about x squared plus 8x equals 345? Is it simplified now?
Yes.
Alright, now we can find a, b, and c. So given a standard form equation, how do we find a, b, and c? Here's a hint. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0.
Given the hint, we can now conclude that a equals 1, b equals 8, and c equals negative 345. After getting this, we can then use the quadratic formula to therefore find the value of x.
But what's the quadratic formula?
Here, that's what a, b, and c are for. Knowing the values of a, b, and c, we can now substitute the values to proceed. We can solve for the numerator first, since the denominator is simply 2 times 1 or 2. So in the numerator, negative 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus negative 1,380 simplified is negative 8 plus or minus square root of 1,444. After this, we can find the square root of 1,444, which is actually 38. We will have two equations, one for plus and one for the negative or minus. By solving for each individually, we can reach 30 over 2 and negative 46 over 2, or x equals 15 and x equals negative 23 after simplifying. But as we know, there's no such thing as a negative distance or length. So we can cancel the possibility of negative 23 as x, leaving us with the answer x equals 15.
Now find the dimensions or the answer to our problem. We can substitute the value of x to what we denoted the length and the width a while ago, with length equals x plus 8 and width equals x. After substituting, we can conclude the length and width of Joseph's new inheritance is 23 meter and 15 meter respectively, or we call it an 15 by 23 meter property.
We may still check if the answer is correct. If we are unsure of it, we may substitute the value to our equation. If the answer is still the same or equates to 345, then we are surely correct.
Thank you for listening. Wishing you more knowledge and a good day. Good luck and stay safe. Bye.